Hi, Jeff Clark, the co-founder of the Notary family. I just wanted to do a short video on some of the aspects of the Notary family website that we've implemented in the last few months, and something that can help each notary. So let me share my screen here and we'll get into it. So here is the main screen. If you click on the National Notary Calendar, that goes down here, showing all the events that are happening throughout the country. If you have an event that you want to place on this calendar, you can go down here at the bottom and click on Add an Event, and that information will be placed on the calendar. So it doesn't matter what kind of event it is. If it's local to you, that's fine. You can still add it to the calendar. Our calendar is broken into time zones, so depending on what time zone you are, it will adjust the time so that you'll know exactly when that event will begin. One of the other features that we added is our notary database. If you are a current notary, you can add yourself to the database. If you want to add yourself to our mailing list, you can do that, and then it will take you to the notary database input intake form, and you can input your information. If you don't want to add to our email list, that's fine. You can just go and click add to the database, and it will bring you to that same page, which is right here. And then you just input all your information. So there's a couple things I want to share with you. A lot of notaries are mobile notaries only, and they don't want to put their address in here. Please put your address in there. Google will input all your information based on your address, and eventually it will be used to know how far you are from a signer if another notary is looking for you. This mailing address is not public. Okay, so you can put it in there. It will not show to the public. So it's just in the database, but will not be shown. The other thing that happens is once you input your address, the county information will populate, and you can select that information. So to change it to red so that everybody knows you need to change it. So trying to make it easy for people, but some people it's hard to put information in. That's fine. So I have to, be strict about it. So then you go down, put in the days you work, the hours you work, select your image. Please put an image of a headshot of you in there. So logo image, you can put that in there. I don't have it showing yet, but you can input your logo, put a picture in there. When you choose a file from your computer, you have to click upload logo, upload picture, respectively, so that it will be uploaded to the server. Okay. Languages spoken. That's for people that speak languages other than English. Okay. So if you speak Spanish and English, you would pick I speak Spanish. Okay. It's a given that we all speak English here in America. Okay. So just want to be clear there. That's only for people that speak another language other than English. If you are an American Sign Language speaker, that is a language listed in there. Please select that as a language that you know, okay? If you know American Sign Language, okay? And then you'll just go through, if you're a Ron, answer those questions, put in your commission information here. If you're a full-time notary, Ron, okay? If you select that you're Ron up here, it does ask you what platforms you're with, so or that you utilize. So that's That's right here. So just know that's why it's asking you that question twice. And if there's a Ron platform that's not listed there, because I know there's 65 or something out there, I don't know them all. If yours isn't on there, please just submit all your information. You can just send me an email and say, hey, this is the platform I'm on. Can you add it in there for me? And I'll be happy to add it in to the database. And then I have associations or memberships. If you're a member of NNA, NBB, Notary Stars, Houston Notary Academy, California League of Independent Notaries, and then what kind of work you do within your notary business. If you do any of these other things like apostille agent, loan signing, fingerprinting, process server, and so forth. Okay, and then once you're done, submit it, and it will be put in the database. Once you're in the database, you can look yourself up, find a notary. Okay, so it is open to the public. You can search by state, county, zip code, area code. I don't know why you'd want to do area code, but I put it in there. Okay, so, and you can order it by state, county, zip code, city, whatever, to figure out what notary you're looking for. So for example, I'm in California. I'm going to pick California. Okay, I can pick by county, but I'm just going to do just California, just get all the notaries, okay? So get all the notaries. Here they are. These are all the notaries in California, okay? And you can click on the phone number. If you're on your phone, your cell phone, you can click on this number. It will connect you with that notary. If you click on here, their website, it will bring to their website. Okay. If you need additional information for the person, let's Eileen here. You can select checkbox there and hit view, or you can select a bunch of them and then hit at the top here. You can hit get notary details, and it will populate down here, which I don't know why it didn't populate. Okay, it's slow. Sorry. Here we go, Eileen. So it's going to tell you her number, her email, the name of her company, where she's located, her website, her operating days and hours, which I just implemented that, so it's not in there for her. So I'll have to get that, and then how she's affiliated, and then the counties that she services other than her primary county, which I'll need to fix that, but that should be listed in all counties serviced as well. And then what she does over here. So all that information is there for the public. There, if you are a notary family member, you can search by other criteria other than the criteria that's listed, but it's pretty well listed right here, but you get more criteria as a member. So you can narrow your search down to more specific information. And again, you can sort up here. You can sort by zip code. Okay, so it sorts ascending and descending, phone, city, whatever you're going to do. Okay, just want to share that with you. And if you want to start over, you can hit reset, start over, and pick another state, So you go Arizona, and some of these states don't have anybody. So if you're watching this video and you're in a state, go look and see who's in your list in your state. If there's nobody in your state, be the first one in your state, be listed. It costs $0 to be on our database. Okay, the only requirement is you need to be a current commissioned notary. So if you're currently commissioned in whatever state you're in, put yourself in the database. Okay, and you'll be on the database. Okay, that's it. Just wanted to share that with everyone. and hope this was helpful. Get on the database.